Greetings, I'm Jesus Lopez. I'm an undergraduate in the SEMI program. I worked in Dr. Sivic's orthopedic surgery lab, and my mentor was Dave Gonzalez. My lab's main question that we want to answer is, can 3D printed scaffolds be used to help regrow bone defects? We want to see if scaffolds seeded with stem cells can be used to repair a large segmental defect in a long bone. Part of this project requires analysis of the amount of bone growth that occurs. Samples are embedded in methacrylate by first placing them in the oven, which polymerizes and hardens the methacrylate into a hard plastic, as you can see. These embedded samples can then be prepared for histological analysis by cutting and polishing a thin slice of the sample. We can then stain the sample using a dye that highlights new bone growth and examine that under a microscope. This is a slide, you can see the little bone growth. Two questions I would have would be, why do we use sheep instead of other animals, and what percent of the bone is left on a slide? Thank you.